I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted important emails from your Gmail app, don't worry, there's a way to recover them. Follow these steps to get your emails back. Step 1. Open the Gmail app. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Go to the trash folder. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and scroll down to find the trash folder. This is where deleted emails are stored temporarily. Step 3. Locate deleted emails. In the trash folder, browse through the list of deleted emails. You can also use the search bar to find specific emails if you remember any details. Step 4. Select emails to recover. Once you find the emails you want to recover, tap and hold on each email to select them. After selecting, look for the Move to option at the top of the screen. Step 5. Move emails back to inbox. Choose Move to inbox from the options that appear. This will restore the selected emails back to your main inbox. Remember, emails in the trash are permanently deleted after 30 days, so act quickly. I hope this helps you recover your deleted emails. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.